The Morrison Creek Water Sanitation District. So back in the early 70s, big a big construction group, the Woodmore Corporation, was developing this area. I guess let's back up a little bit. Back in the 70s, Colorado was going to be a host of the Winter Olympic Games. And with that, this consortium of builders were trying to create villas or Olympic villages, Olympic towns. This is just historical that I've been told through previous general managers and my attorney who's been there with the district for 45 years. Anyway, they were creating these winter villages with a ski resort and Nordic training centers and whatnot. So the Woodmore Corporation bought all these 11,000 acres of pristine Colorado mountain, and they began to develop a small village, a winter that would hold Olympic athletes, and that would bring a lot of revenue to the district and so on. The district ended up going, the developer ended up defaulting, and I think because the Olympics were not coming to Colorado anymore. So obviously they're defaulted and they were never able to finish the project. They have subdivided these 11,000 acres to include open space and everything, but there was 2,200 lots were created for as part of this entire project. Only 500 of those were actually connected to some sort of water and sewer. The 1/5 of them were connected to some sort of infrastructure, and everything else was roads were not put in. Of course, no water and sewer at all. And so they were defaulted, and the county was like, well, we don't have the power or the money, or nor we want to take over a whole new spectrum of work where like the county and the development kind of pays its way. So Stagecoach went dormant and Stagecoach is the larger area. The Morrison Creek Water Sanitation serves that area. So Stagecoach went dormant. And it just kind of lay low there. They came out of bankruptcy actually in 2003. And it just sat dormant. And he basically served the city of Steamboat Springs as their somewhat affordable housing area or the commuter area for, although there was only 400 homes at that time. But most people, probably 90% of the people that lived there were commuting into Steamboat for work. So that's how the Morrison Creek Water and Sanitation was created, to serve this